We're gonna be doing a video on like doing satisfying things.
Yeah.
And I just lost my tooth and put it in this bag.
Adam lost a tooth.
And I'm at Aiden's house right now.
You're gonna see Adam's laptop.
And
this
is what I'm filming on. And yeah, we got these blocks. This one I haven't unwrapped that, and squishy ball. And yeah. And Aiden has a squishy ball and some other stuff. He has the foam blocks that I have. And we have...
Okay, so first off, I need to get...
Yeah, you might want to turn your volume up for this so you can, like, see it, like, hear it a lot better. Yeah. Wait. Guys, look. That's gonna be the first thing.
Yeah.
Guys, this...
Okay, guys, you're gonna have to wait a second to hear it good. Here's one.
There we go. I just ripped it in half.
Let me get this one wet.
And I'm gonna get one of the pieces wet and see the difference from this one.
It doesn't get wet. Like, look. See, that water's for nothing.
Oh yeah, it's probably wet. It's just so.
Okay, guys, listen.
What? Yeah, it's not getting wet. Well, at least it's gonna probably have a different sound to it. Shh. Don't talk.
Sorry, guys, you can't see mine because you can't see it getting crushed. Wait, actually, try this. Oh, my hands.
Well, we do have the water. We could wash our hands off.
Let's do that after. Okay, guys.
Guys, you won't be able to see it, but you'll be able to hear it a lot.
Okay, guys, more satisfaction.
Aiden has another one of his blocks. Just move the debris off to the side.
Ooh, Adam, look. We can do this.
Oh no, do not fly off. Yeah, just move all the stuff to the side. Yeah. You guys haven't been able to see my face. You probably won't see my face for the rest of the video, so yeah.
My mom was right. It does get everywhere.
Yeah. Crunchy.
Satisfying.
Oh. So satisfying.
Oh my god, my phone.
Aiden's phone is covered up.
Shut up!
Okay, Aiden's dad just yelled satisfaction.
Shut up! I'm making a video!
Oh, ooh, nice.
Get off my phone!
Well, then I'm taking some of yours. It doesn't matter at this point.
Yeah.
Or just take a big blob and go like.
Wait, guys, listen.
Yeah, this is gonna be like, well, technically my third non-gaming video, but it would be my fourth if you would count my welcome to my channel video where I introduce you to myself. Oh, it smells like that Aiden's fish tank stuff, like the food from Aiden's. My arm. My arm.
Just put it on the towel. Like rub it on the towel.
Oh, my tower. Yeah, this is the tower.
No, goodbye. Oh, that smells so bad.
Oh, your screen got a little bit stuff on it. You probably should have put your phone in a bag. I'm gonna move my laptop back so it doesn't.
Hey guys, this will be the last one for the video.
Well, for now, we might make a second part.
We might make another one, like we don't talk at all.
Well, Aiden's gonna be ending his video here soon, right after this.
No, this will just be the last one for the video. And I'll use the other ones for
Has it got this ball here?
Oh.
Squish, squish. Wonder what would happen if I step on it. Guys, look, watch this one. Well, it takes no damage. Never mind. It took damage.
Do it like right next to your speaker.
Wait. You guys won't be able to see this one, but you'll be able, you won't be able to see it at all. But you'll hear a bunch of it.
Oh, let's move this over to the side.
Maybe we should throw this stuff away.
Yeah, but let's just move it to the side for now. Make that your last one for your video.
So, guys, for some of the things that we crushed, you might want to turn the volume up a lot.
Yeah.
That's some satisfying noises right there. Squish.
Okay, now move it over to the side.
Wait.
No, guys, listen. Okay, guys, this will be the last thing. It's a dig thing. I'm just trying to do this fast since this is going to be a while if I don't.
Oh, I got some on my laptop. This is it right now. Look for it.
Make sure you don't get any on the carpet, so move like away from the carpet.
Now move all this debris over there. And I'm pretty sure that'll be